Alright people, so just a quick test drive after I've had the new wishbones in. The tracking does need doing, the steering feels really light, so I'm not going to go too aggressive on it. I just done a pull in second and third gear and it does feel much smoother. So here's second gear. Still did want to go left and right, but it does feel much more stable. Yeah, this is the passenger side, right? Passenger side. So it's quite badly worn on the inside. So that one's definitely gone. And then on the driver's side, but then you've got cracks in the tyres, so this one's gone as well. So it's good that we're getting the PS4S on there as well. Okay, so here is the geometry check. Basically just checking all the alignment. So once we had the wishbones done, you can see it's really badly out. The green parts are where it should be, like here. You can see this one was way off, this one way off, camber, I think that one is way off. What they've done is they've managed to do most of it, but on the rear, they said that they weren't actually able to get to the rear toe bolts, which is like your wheel should sit like this. Camber is when it goes inwards like that or outwards like that. Toe is when it goes forward, sort of like left or right, so it should be dead straight. And then caster is where it's like sort of up and down. So they should be sitting as close to zero as possible, and this is the after. They weren't actually able to get to the toe bolts, which is here, because they said that it seized. So I'll just overlay a picture of before and after. For the new tyres, Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. So these ones are the 235/35 R19s. They look really good on these. So here's some after. I've got the new tyres on. That is some good grip. No wheel spin at all. And that was in second gear. I've done a first gear pull as well. So look, this is second gear on boost. Just pull hard. Oh man, these tyres are so good. Should have got them way earlier.
So I've been asked to record my reaction to something.
Okay, so the new tyres are on. I just want to show you Midge's reaction to feeling actual grip. So this is a first gear pull, yeah?
Okay. Oh, we're not just flying around. Oh, wow, okay, oh.
That's what grip feels like.
This reminds me of the Golf R. That's what the Golf R was doing then.
Yeah.